This video is part of the 7 Blocks to A Plus series and helps students understand why quick study tricks might feel useful in some short term but don't lead to lasting success. Instead, we highlight how slow growing, consistent habits are the true foundations for A plus growth. This is also to empower learners to rethink how they study. A match burns bright, but only for a moment. A seed starts small, but grows roots that last a lifetime. In school, we often chase matchsticks, flashy study hacks, and quick fixes. But if you want true learning power, you need something deeper. You need habits. Study hacks are everywhere. Chew gum to focus, write with blue pens, highlight your notes for memory boost. They sound fun, they feel clever, and sometimes they work. For a quiz, for a moment, and life happens. A tougher test, a bad day, a wave of stress, and the hack gone. Now think of a habit, not flashy, not loud, just something you do every day. Reviewing for 5 minutes, teaching a friend that you learn, solving one tough problem daily. It's like watering the seed. It grows slowly, but one day it becomes an oak tree. A hack changes the moment, a habit changes the learner. Here is the truth. Hacks give you a quick boost, habits give you lasting power. Hacks depend on motivation, habits create momentum, even on tough days. Hacks are like snacks. Habits, they are meals that fuel your growth. This book doesn't give you tips and tricks, it gives you tools, 7 building blocks you can trust. Habits that help you reflect, recall, stay focused, and stay strong. You don't need to build them all at once. You just start small and grow steadily. Pick one small habit, try it for 3 days, a micro review, a nightly reflection, a teach back to your pet. Then reflect. What changed? I used to chase shortcuts, now I build strong routines. I'm not just passing a quiz, I'm becoming the learner who passes every challenge. So, the next time you hear a cool new hack, pause and ask, can I turn this into a habit? Because hacks may help you for a moment, but habits build your future. Want to start building better habits? Explore the 7 building blocks to A+. Send an email for a sneak peek.